This video will show you how to change the engine oil. I will be using car ramps to elevate my vehicle. You can also raise the car using a floor jack, then secure it with jack stands. Engage the handbrake and turn off the engine. Place wheel chocks, or in my case bricks, behind the rear tires as a precaution to prevent the car from rolling. Open the car hood. Lift the hood all the way up. Remove the underbody cover. For this car, there are 11 clips to remove. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the securing clips and bolts, working from the rear to the front. The underbody cover is now removed. Remove the engine oil filler cap. Locate the engine oil drain plug. Place an oil drain pan directly underneath the oil drain plug. For this car, I need to use a 17mm wrench to remove the oil drain plug. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen it. Slowly unscrew the drain plug to let the oil drain. When it feels loose, pull it away quickly to avoid getting oil on your hand. Make sure the oil falls directly into the drain pan. You definitely don't want to make a mess on your floor. This is an oil filter removal tool. Turn the oil filter counterclockwise with the strap wrench to remove it. Make sure the oil drain pan is positioned underneath it. Completely remove the oil filter. Make sure the old filter's rubber gasket didn't get stuck on the engine block. Once the oil has completely drained, wipe away any residual oil from the engine block. Slide the oil drain pan out from under the vehicle and transfer the old oil into a sealed container for recycling. Replace the crush washer on the oil drain plug with a new one. Hand tighten the oil drain plug clockwise to avoid cross-threading. The torque specification for a standard Honda oil drain plug is approximately 40 Newton meters. This is a beam torque wrench. Torque the oil drain plug to 40 Newton meters using the wrench. Unbox the engine oil filter. Carefully unwrap the plastic, because we don't want a piece of plastic to go into the oil filter. Inspect the new oil filter. Ensure the black O-ring is present. Check the side of the oil filter for specific installation instructions. I'm filling the engine with Petronas Syntium 5W30. When purchasing your oil online, always double-check to ensure you are getting a genuine product. This oil bottle features a security label on the cap, which you can scan using the MySerum app to verify its authenticity. Scan the QR code, or manually type in the unique serial number printed directly underneath it to ensure the oil is genuine. As you can see on the screen, the app confirms the batch and serial number match the factory records. Now that we know it's the real deal, we are ready to fill up the engine. Petronas keeps this bottle locked tight to prevent leaks, so get ready to use some muscle. Pre-fill the new filter with a bit of oil to give the engine instant oil pressure on startup. Lubricate the rubber O-ring with a bit of oil. This ensures a tight seal and prevents the filter from getting permanently stuck to the engine. Carefully thread the filter on by hand to avoid cross-threading. Hand tighten it securely. This ensures it's tight enough to hold pressure, but easy enough to remove during your next oil change. Give it one final firm twist. Never use a filter wrench to tighten a new filter, or you'll over-tighten it and damage the seal. Insert a clean funnel. For this Honda City, the engine takes about 3.6 liters of oil. Look under the vehicle for any oil leakage. If no leakage is detected, continue pouring the oil. Keep pouring until it lines up with the recommended mark. Once done, hold the funnel there for a few seconds to catch the last few drops of oil. Put the oil cap back on, make sure it's fully sealed. You definitely don't want this coming loose while you're driving. Turn on the vehicle and let it idle for a few minutes so the new oil can go through the engine block and fill up the fresh oil filter. Check the oil pan drain plug and the new oil filter to ensure oil isn't dripping under pressure. Now that we know there are no leaks, it's time to put the undercover shield back on. Just line up the clips and bolts and secure it back into place. Everything is bolted back up and we are ready to lower the vehicle. Let's move these bricks out of the way so we can carefully back the vehicle down to level ground. Time for the final check. Pull the dipstick, wipe off that first layer of oil, and stick it all the way back in. Pull it out again. The second pull is the one that actually counts. Ensure the oil level falls right between the min and max dots or lines, and top off the oil if necessary. That's it. We are done. We just saved some money doing our own oil change. If this video helped you out, subscribe for more DIY videos, and I'll see you in the next one.